Alright, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to take screenshots or snapshots in Premiere Pro. So it's going to be so easy, I'll just show you. So you open up the window and then you go to a frame that you want to take a screenshot of. For example, like this is my previous thumbnail shot that I have on my thumbnail. So for this, I just went to this frame and then you can either click this thingy over here, there's camera icon, just Ctrl+Shift+E. And you can take a screenshot from any of these windows, like the source monitor or the work monitor or the timeline. You just highlight any of these windows and press Ctrl+Shift+E. It will go to this menu right here, and you can save it as a JPEG or any of these formats and into any folder and name as you want, and that's it. If you click on this import into project, it will also make a copy and it will be like imported into the project that you're working on. So that's about it. That's how you take a screenshot for any of your videos in Premiere Pro. Thank you guys for watching and hope you guys find this helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.